This guy got 160,000 naira for free. This one got 2,000 naira for free. This one got another 2,000 naira for free. This guy got another 1,000 naira for free. Wow, this one got Samsung Galaxy A13 phone, right? This one got Techno Spark 90 phone, right? So guys, I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how you can earn just free prices from this platform. Okay, it's a very popular platform in the whole world globally, and you know, all you need to do is just to shake your phone and you won maybe 160,000, maybe 10,000, maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000 naira, maybe phone, Android phone. Imagine we are getting a phone worth 100,000 naira for free without even doing anything. Okay, so guys, I'll be right back. But before I be back, kindly click on the subscription button right now and the notification bell so that whenever we drop a content, valuable content like this, we get notification from you. Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun from Online Hustle Pro right here. So on this video today, I want to show you this Opera Mini application. You know Opera Mini, but one thing about this is that it's not all Opera Mini application that used to do this, but there is a particular or special, let me call it a special Opera Mini application that does this. So what you need to do is just to, once you install it, you're going to see a sign like this that this shake your phone and earn free prize. And anything, it could be 1,000, even if it's just 500 naira. After all, you not do anything. All you need to do is just to install the app, and whenever you get opportunity to shake your phone, then just shake it and you're gonna want to win something, right? Just for free. Shake and win. Okay, so guys, if you want to, you know, get the this app, if you want to get this app, you just need to do just a simple task. But all you need to do is just to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and also go to the comment section below and say I want free Opera Mini app. So once I see it, I'm going to reply you. So once you install the app, you know, once I will give you the link, once I click on the link, that link will take you to the Play Store. Once you take it to the Play Store, then it will ask you to install. You should know how to install your app on your Android phone. Okay, so now guys, we're gonna see it like this. Okay, so now let's just go through it together. Now I'm gonna click on this icon that will give me opportunity to, you know, shake and win. All right, so I'm in Nigeria, and you can see over 7 million people has, you know, participated to do this. Okay, and you can see one account per user. Only valid claims will be rewarded to Nigeria, Kenya, Zambia, and Ghana only. So an 18+. Times and condition apply. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on continue. You will lose your progress if you uninstall this app. So once you install it, don't just try to, you know, once you install it, don't just try to uninstall it so that you will not lose your progress. Okay, now you can see shake your phone for a World Cup reward. So now I'm going to click on shake. So I'm going to click on save your progress. Then I'm going to enter my phone number right here. Okay, so like, what's this? So when I fill it, I got a notification code, which I just put right here. So I enter the code now. So it's trying to verify the code. So you can see, it just verify the code. At least it seems like I'm going for this. So now I say one in progress. So I have Techno Camon 19, one in progress. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just to click on it. So this stuff is actually very simple. As you can see, it said find the remaining 5 pieces to win. Okay, so now what I want to do right here now is that I have to, you know, have more shake, but unfortunately, so what are we going to do? So this, the first shake has opened this place, so I have to, I need 1 2 3 4 5 to open this. So if I have another shakes and it all now open this 5 place, definitely I'm gonna win this phone, okay, just for free. But unfortunately, if I come to earn more shakes, you can see that it say you have run out of shakes. So next free shakes unlocks in 3 days, okay. But if this happened to you as well and you quickly need more points to have another shake to win, so what you're gonna do is that you need to come to the Rivera. So you can still refer Opera Mini to your friends. So all you need to do is earn 1 free shake for each friend that plays shake and win using a verified phone number with Opera Mini. So it will be granted in at most 24 hours after you finish the mission. So what you're going to do, if you don't want to wait for 3 days, almost 4 days like this, 3 hours rather, 3 hours, not 3 days, excuse me, I'm sorry about the wrong 3 days, 3 hours, I want to say 3 hours. So what I'm going to do is just to click on refer a friends. When you click on refer a friends, so you're going to see this like this. What you need to do is just to click on copy, okay. So you automatically copy this and send it to your friends and family, since this is free, okay. So all those who are using Android phone, you can just send it to them and let them start trying their luck, because there are so many things to earn right here, guys. So if I come here, there are so many things to earn right here. As you can see, we have from 8,000 cash voucher, MTN recharge card, 500 recharge card, Airtel, 4,000 naira voucher, cash voucher, 40,000 naira cash voucher. And guys, people are actually making it big on this platform right here, okay. People are making it, big time, okay. So now guys, I want to work on my Techno Camon, but I may not be opportune to wait for that at 3 hours, okay. 3 hours. It means I have to be waiting for 3 hours. But I have to make this video right now and upload it for you guys so that you can quickly come to earn A04s and A13. But anytime that I win on this platform, guys, of course I'm gonna make that update for you to see that definitely this pays. But Opera Mini, everybody knows Opera Mini very well, and Opera Mini never asks you to pay a dime, okay. So what you need to do is just to install it. Once you install it, then you just need to start shaking your phone, and can also tell your friends to earn more shakes, okay. So that is what this is all about, guys. So I think you can just ask me to get the link right now. And if you want to join my group right here, my Telegram group, all you need to do is just to go to the description below. When you get to the description below, you're going to see the link there. So you can just quickly join, at least to benefit more and different other businesses that have not been able to share on my channel, on my YouTube channel right here, okay guys. So this is what I have for you, and updates will be coming later. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. If you are new on this channel, or you have been watching my video before but you never subscribe, kindly subscribe right now and like this video, and also go to the comment section below to request for this application. Thank you.